Alright, it's been about 4,300 miles with Valvoline Restore and Protect in my LQ4, and the oil life is down to 16%, so let's drain it out and cut the filter open, see what's inside. The first thing I noticed is this filter is just soaking wet. The first one I drained for about 30 minutes, the second one overnight. This thing has been draining for over 48 hours, and it looks like I just pulled it off the truck, which has me thinking that the filter material is so stopped up that the oil can't even get past it. And I'm a little worried that the bypass valve is opening, but thankfully I haven't been doing any towing lately, just short trips to work. And other than that, I'm not seeing the sludge or the big chunks that were in the first filter. The material is just very, very dark, and there's some little pieces here and there about the size of a grain of sand. I'll probably do this next oil change a little closer to 3,000 miles, and we'll cut it open again, see what that one looks like.